In this video, I'm going to show you how we moved from this. So watch the rest of the video if you want to find out how we managed to deck this particular trade and everything else. Alright, so let's start from the higher time frame. Let's go on the 4-hour time frame. I show you what I was looking at before all this happened. So as you may be aware, the JPY pairs have been going to the upside for quite a long time. All right, so what I was looking for was a buying opportunity. So let's zoom in right here on the 4-hour time frame. You're going to realize that we had something significant happening at this level right here. We had a nice drop, base, rally, and break of structure to the upside. So whenever you have that, it's very significant. Therefore, you have to go to the lower time frame so that you can identify your POIs, right? So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, it's also similar to that. Let's go to the 30 minutes time frame. You see what I mean? Okay, so right here you can clearly see that we have a drop, base, rally to the upside. Okay, and then on top of all this, we had these two equal lows which were left behind right here. So whenever you find liquidity like this, you always want to make sure that they wait for the market to take out this liquidity so the market can come to your point of entry before you can actually execute. And then also, if you turn on this indicator right here, you're going to realize that the Asian session, like I always say, had to be taken out. And then the market came into our zone right here. Then guess what? The market pushed to the upside and the market went all the way to about 1 to 18 risk to reward ratio. Our stop loss was 4 pips and our target was 67 pips. Let's go to a 5 minutes time frame and identify our order block on the lower time frame so that you see what order block caused that change of character and everything. So you're able to realize that we had this candle right here. This is the candle that I looked at. This was the last candle I mapped and then took this to the right side and waited for the market to come into this zone. And when the market did came into the particular area, I was able to actually take this particular trade. Okay, so if you check here, this forecast was actually shared in our private community right here. This was the first forecast I sent yesterday. You can see that it was a nice setup where the market was still at this level right here, and then I was waiting for the market to come into this area, and once it came to this area, private community like we always do, and this is how far the market went. This is a 1 to 18 risk reward ratio, stop loss of just 4 pips and target of 67 pips. This was sent as a forecast, as a beautiful trade, and turned out amazing. So this week and last week we had really beautiful trade that went all the way to take profit like this. This is absolutely amazing. But it's a very basic setup that if you were in our private community, you'd have easily picked on. And you can see there was this level right here which I was looking at, and this is where my alert was set in. Once the market hit that alert, I was able to take this particular trade. All right, so unfortunately, this wasn't shared on our free Facebook or Instagram, and then this was only shared in our mentorship community. So you guys, if you want to be part of that, the first link in the description gives you access to our M&F Mastery course, which comes with lifetime mentorship, lifetime that you're able to trade on your own without waiting for anyone, and that should be the goal for anyone that wants to be